Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Ultimate Love Rosie at it again. See beautiful photos she shared on her Instagram page today. Ultimate Love co-winner Rosie has set Instagram on fire as she released stunning new photos of herself online today. Rosie is regarded by many to be the most beautiful love guest on the Ultimate Love reality show. Her stunning beauty and natural shape is the reason why fans fondly call her the Queen Mother. Rosemary Afuwape, known popularly as Rosie, took to her official microblogging platform via Instagram to share new photos of herself by the beachside, flaunting her natural beauty. In the photos, Rosie was spotted wearing a red dress which made her look so flawless. Captioning the photos, she wrote, "Try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of value. Successful entrepreneurs are givers, not takers of positive energy." Fans couldn't get enough of her beauty as they took to the comment section of the post to air their views. Yeah, check out what fans said in the screenshots. What do you think of Rosie's new photo? Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time, and click on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.